Kwame Chei wa bought team ni sika tupa promise kese pa odi ama players no each of them enye sika ketu aso
enkosi akwe
omo fan share house of folk
enkosi hwe
yeah some
the chene say I am very encouraging say true
yeah
I am encouraging say but why into matches on boy na sa no ye no
maybe most of them maybe are more bonus in the
na ya what is ade
but we dey matipa
I don't know how in particular they know what
maybe at the magnitude of the game no
magnitude of the game omno ko to buy I want
eno magnitude
has the magnitude
ade how na
maybe I mean very encouraging say or motivating the players no but me say why has nko ade no motivate wo sa ababo ntiama ye hunu say o motivating the players it is because Has is the greatest club in Ghana.
Okay.
Into one of the greatest and everybody also motivating the players no more. So I just here.
Okay.
Number 2, Kwaku. League way. Say House of Folk our management. And the management no put to a little effort to win this year's league and has a league in da. Oh yes. Just a little effort. Oh.
Okay.
Hey. Yenu anumi. Ushe the last 3 or 4 matches on my bonyina. Omo are very focused. Omo are direct. They know what they are doing. They know what they want to achieve. What I say?
Sure.
They are direct. All that they are doing na double. Omo no one double. FA Cup and the League Cup. Unfortunately, be an crack of bomb. But I like their focus. I like their directness. They can. But I like their focus and directness.
Yeah.
Right from supporters unit in front, all the way to Nana Pinkrani, old players. Now they are very direct and focused. Come to House of Folk.
Okay.
Everybody is looking up to one person, the coach. As a winner, a coach, no.
Nam do you know anything?
Oh, my friend.
He's your friend.
Oh, he's my friend. He's my friend.
Oh, yeah,
but me man, Timini, I don't know what
anybody were down for the announcement.
I can be saying.
Madam, no, but a distant, me man.
But who do you?
Baba to those me who don't so yet.
But the anchor and
Baba today is all over the place. But unim say,
hey, ASABRE. Baba train why?
Unim Baba Tunde. Wow. Kwaku, and I'm telling you, sir, effort has players, no, they are doing their best. In the technical team, they are doing their best. But I've told you, sir, Kwaku, every successful club, go and open any sports management book. I have told you of this proverbial triangle. Sound, effective management, direct, focus, and a producer sound, effective technical team. Together of them do the recruitment and produce sound, effective playing body.
Okay.
These three angles, you know, and a complementing my team the other day in your success. Within the angle, that angle, are the supporters. And the brother we say supporters need pay out, no. Now something is wrong with the triangle. Time when we say supporters feel it triangle, no, or more feel it, mano. Like I say, supporters never back to the club, or more back to the team, or more, but like I say, something is going good.
Okay.
For the team.
They say dear neighbor,
management in
Has management in yet. Management.
You don't know. Yes, your management by any more.
So we're down for the head of management.
Or managing director on
MD.
Because MD will buy and I say one team can watch a crowd.
And can normally a free big technical meeting after every game, Monday. There's a technical meeting between management and the technical team.
Okay.
Oftentimes, management, you know, they have time to go to the training grounds.
Okay.
Coaching almost observe.
Okay.
And they know why this player played and why this player didn't play and why this player is on yellow card, why this player is on red card. Did you see anybody at Pobiman? You don't see them. Now, because of that, the coach is automatically not answerable to anybody. Yes. And that is where the defect is. And yes, management need meeting coach, say omun sin coach no, and omun sin technical team no. But the technical team is meeting the management for certain questions to be asked about the match.
Okay.
Why did you do late substitution? Why did this early substitution? Why did you fill this player? Why did this player was not fielded? Or malaria? Or you say there must be a body to interact with the coach. It is a obi ono oblemu watara so much yana ayemareho. Because the otrasano onim se na chia enti do ogia na chi ehwe se otrasane ye no, where is that person? Enti baby ASABRE say nda make sure say house was sound effective management at league way has been a long time. On the mechono. But Sesiano, every House of Folk supporter, a direct, he's looking at the technical team and the playing body and no pay.
Okay.
I want to be a show. Whether there are problems to be solved, whether there are whatever, no, there will be a say, you show watara, any playing body, nations, regardless of whether there is a problem or not. And support the Biao.
Could you say, O Tio Yepa, now will read to Bapak and Sissia?
Uncle, you only feel calling. None of them know.
I don't know her body be not
me casa me call 5:30 acquire rich was ama nida kono o se minifia me koye sanje oni para kwa oni bi para sesa mo kwa oni bi e do dia ko tuba ho opakwa onko wura tuba na sase na sase won
but I know Beko Park
meko I'm going to tuba meko
okay,
and we are going to win the match.
No, okay, for sure.
Oh yes, we are going to win the match.
Okay, we
should win the match. I'll say winning.
Okay,
what you say? And today me can say how supporters enya butreka because it is not ordered well with the organization of House of
Nobody is complaining. Coach, no one complaining.
No. People are complaining. But until be there me free ba.
Okay.
Inti you league ni we are general assessment. All these things will come to the fore. So that we correct some of these things and allow the team to function the way it should be.
But league in the match to the assistance now the multi league.
Oh, first 8-point gap between us and Kotoko. Or 7-point gap. I'm say 8-point gap. Oh, see a bond we are in the
37
45 yeah.
Into about 8-point gap. What do you say? Say my name say FADNO. Everybody saw instructor man +3 be baba. Like say as automatically 3.
Oh,
what do you say? Into 5-point gap no. 8-point gap, now by 5-point gap.
Okay, I bet 3. Do they can I 2?
Let me say,
it's Misha.
Now by 6. Now we 2-point difference. It has still in contention.
Okay.
What do you say?
But then they lose point in the another.
Oh no. Then I'll give up. I'll give up. So what I say it Misha. We are terribly in contention.
Okay.
One dimension. And you know, Mestre House of Folk supporters, true. It is not all that well. They manage the bonus. Internally, things are not well. But the players are very determined.
Okay.
What I say, the technical team too is very determined. One dimension. But ye encourage you na ye support so my club no ye farmer team no
very well
ye fact support serious support because that is the only thing that we can do at this moment to support the technical team and the playing body to deliver.
Okay.
Bola ye boy usha ye overwhelm ye bia sa ye opponents no ntimi out play bia sa on lack in bia any side inti ye frɛ na lack nkakraba na players nso ma omo home so kakra bi a I think we'll be in a pole position to contest so much for the title.